Changing the email link to your Epic Games account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Epic Games account. Visit the Epic Games website and log in using your current email and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find the email section. In the account settings, look for the General tab. Here, you will see your current email address listed along with an option to change it. Step 4. Change your email. Click on the option to change your email. You will need to enter your new email address and confirm it. Make sure the new email is valid and accessible. Step 5. Verify your new email. After submitting the change, check your new email inbox for verification email from Epic Games. Click on the verification link in that email to finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your Epic Games account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, refer to Epic Games support for assistance.